Hello, I'm Ben Spalding from CISS, and I'd like to introduce you to the barcode scanners that Inventory Pro operates with, and most importantly, the new Bluetooth scanners that Inventory Pro works with. But we do have an old traditional product that works with Windows Mobile 6.5 versions on the industrial handheld scanners like this. There's pistol grips. This happens to be a Cipher Lab model. There's LXE, Motorola, all sorts of industrial scanners that are made. These are kind of, dare I say, old-fashioned now, and probably eventually on their way out. They've started to make these with the Android operating system, and that will probably take over for Windows Mobile soon. So that being said, this is my Samsung Note 3, and if you just go into the standard Bluetooth settings, this is actually paired currently with this Coamtac scanner that's built into a sled. This sled will fit onto my Note 3. You see there's a case that goes around the Note 3, and then this slips into the sled, and now you have a barcode scanner attached to your smartphone, and you can just scan away, and you get the traditional single click when you get a good scan, and you get on a bad scan you get the three little short beeps. So this is really handy in that it works with an off-the-shelf smartphone. It also works with the iPhone, the iPad mini, and regular iPad Airs, and the Samsung Galaxy and some LG devices. So there are different sleds. This is actually the case and sled that goes to an iPhone. Now, if you have different phones and only one scanner, you can move these scanners between the sleds, but you have to take 4 Allen screws and mechanically move the scanner between the sleds. But if you were to go and get iPods, you could just pull the scanner off and then go from device to device really quickly and easily. So it's a really nice feature of the Coamtac sled. These are about $400 for the scanner and the sled. So the other Bluetooth scanner that we like to use is the Socket S7 series, and this is currently connected via Bluetooth with my iPad, and I just wanted to show you how quickly, turn it on, Ben, how quickly you can scan barcodes with these Bluetooth scanners. If you're watching the notepad, you can see them come out. So the reason for using these Bluetooth scanners is that they're much faster than trying to use the embedded camera that is on the phone. And if you've ever tried to do this before, I have an app on my phone that scans barcodes. You have to line up the line, focus the beam, and then it will scan the barcode, and it's very time consuming for the application because you have to basically leave Inventory Pro Mobile, turn on the camera, do the scan, and then return the results back to the application. So it takes forever using the embedded camera on a phone to work with an application. So for that reason, we only support in Inventory Pro Bluetooth scanners. And also, one nice thing about like this Socket 7 CI, is if you push the power button quickly twice, it pops up the keyboard on the iPad, and you can put in quantities or remarks, shipping order numbers, etc., using the regular keypad versus barcode if you don't have the field barcoded. So one last device. This is a Bluetooth RFID reader. Inventory Pro will work with RFID tags, and it works much the same as any other Bluetooth device. You just have to be in the field in Inventory Pro and then scan the barcode and it comes out in Inventory Pro. This Coamtac, this model does not actually have an RFID reader in it, but the KDC 450 actually has an RFID reader. So you could just push the read and then go onto the barcode, the RFID tag, and it would read the RFID tag. So that's another really nice feature of the Coamtac sleds. Socket, if you go to socketmobile.com, they also make a sled like the Coamtac that goes on to generic devices. Thank you very much. I hope this helped.